Hi guys! So I was thinking to do a macro shot on my wet light camera for a very long time, and the biggest problem on that is that I can't get close enough to my subject to take a picture because I have to extend my ground glass to the very back of the camera, and I can't extend it that much that I wanted to do. So I was thinking, why don't I use two cameras? So what does that mean? You're gonna see that a little bit later during the making of. The next thing I want to tell you is about the lens. I used a very old lens. So this is a very interesting lens. This is an Emil Busch lens. It's a Petzval design, and I shot at f10 because the depth of field for the macro shot is pretty narrow or pretty small. So I stopped it down a little bit. But the crazy thing about this lens is, this lens stops down to 384. This is like crazy. This is like pinhole photography. Another reason why I chose this lens, it's pretty sharp. And this is a really beautiful lens. I really love to work with it. It's old, it's a Petzval style, so the bokeh is pretty smooth. So it's very creamy. Yeah, you're gonna see it afterwards. My main subject for the macro shot was a snowdrop. So I have plenty of them in my garden, and they're really tiny, if you know what I mean. And to bring this flower like on a full blade, 18 by 23 centimeters, you need a lot of extension to make this work. So enjoy the making of movie. See you later on. Oh man, this was much more exhausting than I thought it will be. So I needed so much light. I popped my 2 strobes 2 times. So this is like 7000 watts times 2. And I did like 30 seconds exposure. But you see, sometimes it's necessary to work with that much power to get the exposure done. And you see also at the end of the video I did a second exposure because I was not happy with the first outcome because the bokeh in the background was a little bit too bright. So I put the cloth up against the foil to cover it a little bit, to make it a little bit darker for some time. So I'm really happy with the outcome. And yeah, here's the plate again. Very shiny, very pretty. I really like it. When you just imagine how small the flower is and how big the plate is, I really like the outcome. And after varnishing, it's really, really shiny. So I'll try to get a little bit closer. Is this working? So I hope so. So you can see a little bit more about the shininess of the plate. Yeah, that's pretty it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, let me know in the comment section. Let me there also know if you have any crazy idea what I can do up next with my camera, like another crazy macro shot or maybe a moving subject to freeze on my wet plates. Yeah, let me know there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe to see more and I'll be back.